So I'm new to this whole machining game, and I went to pull some drill bits out of this box just to check the sizes. This is an old Kennedy box I got from a guy. What? They're like drill bits that somebody ground into end mills? Is that what that is? That's gotta be what that is, right? Like, anybody ever seen anything like that? They're all like that. Like, that's a flat... I don't get it. I do not get it. Anybody seen that? Is that a thing people do? Grind drill bits down into end mills? If anybody's got any info, let me know.